Decent machinery, decent services. Contact us now.
Decent Machinery offers extensive support for the lifecycle management of their centrifugal blowers, including initial installation, routine maintenance, repairs, upgrades, and end-of-life recycling. We provide detailed user manuals, online resources, and direct access to our technical support team for all lifecycle stages. Our preventive maintenance programs and intelligent monitoring systems help extend the operational life of the equipment, while our upgrade services ensure that customers can benefit from the latest technologies. As a manufacturer and service provider, we are committed to supporting our customers throughout the entire life cycle of our products, ensuring maximum performance and reliability. These detailed questions and answers cover a broad range of aspects, ensuring that potential international buyers have a comprehensive understanding of Decent Machinery's centrifugal fans and blowers, their applications, benefits, and the support provided by the company.
Decent machinery, decent services. Contact us now.